All right, so I'm wearing antifreeze, and Caleb is getting down to the shredding of the 2.0 2018 GMC Terrain, and here's what you get from using cheap gas and not doing your maintenance.
It's terrible.
What you see here is a VVT solenoid. Yeah. Do you think that's good? Look how charred and caked on just this one is.
That's the exhaust side.
And with no codes. Now, it's probably not running way out of spec, but that's not supposed to be clogged. Keep changing your oil every 5 to 10,000 miles and using cheap gas and declining the repairs.
Intake side's so much worse. It's funny that it's like it's the top of the VVT that's really getting.
Well, it depends on how the
fast.
oil comes in and out, you follow me? Because the oil comes in, right, this way, and then I think it comes in this way and then disperses this way in the pistons, or it's coming in this way and then the pistons
Well,
moving.
this is also on the valve train side. This is at the end of the valve cover, so it does make sense.
Yeah.
That's atrocious.
Stop listening to the good mechanics and keep buying engines every 70,000 miles. I don't know. It is what it is. Thanks for watching.